Hi, I'm going to talk about the sharing button. The sharing button on social media, the use of it is to share somebody's content or share your own content to the world. Now, in the sharing aspect of it, when you click share, it will ask you either to tag somebody or not. When you tag somebody, his friends, his or her friends will see what you have posted. They are not your friends, but you tag only one of your friends. His friends will see what you have posted when he accepted the tagging. And if you did not tag anybody on the post, when you post, it's only your friends that they're going to see this post, this content that you have posted. When you share something to the social media, mind you, there are some things that you must to do. Number one, either to tag or to go and um, you go and share it in the group, or you go and use the same comment section on that post and put hashtag. Then you put those that you want them to see your content. You put hashtag before writing the name of that group or anything that, assuming you want people of America to see what you have posted, put hashtag America. Those that they put their location or region about America, they're going to see it. When you put hashtag Nigeria, like now that I'm living in Nigeria, hashtag Nigeria, is only Nigerians that they're going to see, and anybody that put Nigeria as his country is going to see your content. When you put hashtag, the name of the group is only those group they will see your content. Yes, that is why it's advisable to put hashtag for all the group that you can be able to remember and any part that you want your content to circulate. Then another thing, the importance of